Welcome back to Simple English with Sachin. I'm happy you are here. Today, we are going to learn 20 very important English sentences that you can use every single day. These sentences are simple, natural, and perfect for beginners. So let's get started. Sentence 1. I am on my way. Use this when you are going somewhere. Sentence 2. I will be there in 5 minutes. Say this when someone is waiting for you. Sentence 3. Give me a moment. Use this when you need a little time. Sentence 4. I am a bit busy right now. Say this when you cannot talk. Sentence 5. Let me check. Use this when you want to confirm something. Sentence 6. I will get back to you. Say this when you need time to reply. Sentence 7. No problem. Use this when you want to stay calm and friendly. Sentence 8. That sounds good. Say this when you agree with someone. Sentence 9. I really appreciate it. Use this to thank someone politely. Sentence 10. Can you please repeat that? Say this when you did not hear clearly. Sentence 11. What do you mean? Use this when you want more clarity. Sentence 12. I completely understand. Say this to show good listening. Sentence 13. Take your time. Use this when you want the other person to relax. Sentence 14. I am not sure. Say this when you do not know something. Sentence 15. Let us do it. Use this when you want to start something. Sentence 16. I am feeling tired. A simple sentence for daily conversations. Sentence 17. I am leaving now. Say this when you are about to go. Sentence 18. See you soon. A friendly goodbye. Sentence 19. Take care. A warm and polite farewell. Sentence 20. Have a nice day. A positive way to end any conversation. Practice these sentences every day, and you will start speaking English more naturally and confidently. Use them at home, with friends, at work, and in your daily conversations. If you found this lesson helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more simple English videos.